Top 5 Meals for Weight Loss. Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. We're dedicated to providing valuable information and resources on weight loss and nutrition. We're passionate about helping people reach their health and fitness goals, and we're excited to share our knowledge and experience with you. So, stay tuned for more informative and useful videos on weight loss and nutrition. It is important to have nutrient-dense meals when trying to lose weight because they can help you feel full and satisfied while also providing your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients it needs to function properly. These meals are typically lower in calories and higher in protein, fiber, and other nutrients that promote weight loss. Grilled chicken with vegetables. Grilled chicken is a lean protein source that is low in fat and calories, making it a great option for weight loss. It is also a good source of essential amino acids that promote muscle growth and repair. When paired with a variety of colorful vegetables, such as bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli, or asparagus, this meal becomes a nutrient-dense option that is low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Vegetables add a variety of flavors and textures to the meal while also providing essential nutrients that promote overall health. This meal can be seasoned with herbs and spices to taste, making it a versatile and satisfying option. Salad with salmon. Salmon is a great source of protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have weight loss benefits. A salad with a variety of greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce provides fiber and vitamins that promote overall health. When paired with a piece of grilled or baked salmon, this meal becomes a nutrient-dense option that is low in calories but high in essential nutrients. To make the salad more satisfying, you can add some nuts, seeds, or avocado to it. You can also dress the salad with a vinaigrette or a low-calorie dressing to enhance the flavors. Stir-fry with tofu and vegetables. Tofu is a good source of plant-based protein that is low in calories and fat, making it a great option for weight loss. It is also a good source of essential amino acids that promote muscle growth and repair. A stir-fry made with a variety of vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, or bok choy provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals that promote overall health. When paired with tofu, this meal becomes a nutrient-dense option that is low in calories but high in essential nutrients. You can season it with different sauces like soy sauce, oyster sauce, or hoisin sauce to make it more flavorful. Quinoa bowl with black beans and avocado. Quinoa is a gluten-free, high-protein grain that is also high in fiber, making it a great option for weight loss. Black beans are also a good source of plant-based protein, fiber, and minerals. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats that can help you feel satisfied for longer. When paired with a variety of colorful vegetables, this meal becomes a nutrient-dense option that is low in calories but high in essential nutrients. You can season it with different herbs and spices, and dress it with a vinaigrette or a low-calorie dressing. Soup with lentils and vegetables. Lentils are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber, both of which can help promote weight loss. They are also a good source of essential minerals. A soup made with lentils, and a variety of colorful vegetables, such as carrots, celery, onions, and tomatoes, provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals that promote overall health. This meal can be seasoned with herbs and spices to taste, making it a versatile and satisfying option. Soups are a great option to feel full and satisfied with a low-calorie intake. By incorporating these meals into your diet, you'll be consuming nutrient-dense, satisfying meals that will help you stay on track with your weight loss goals while also providing your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients it needs to function properly. That's all for now, folks. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-dense meals into your diet is essential for weight loss and overall health. Give them a try and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and give this video a like if you found it useful. We appreciate your support and feedback. Thanks for watching.